Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve this error. Could not pass iourc file, the directory, and that one, right? So this is my GNS3 and I have already added several images here. So you can see layer 2 switch here. There's another image that I've just added. Layer 3 switches here, a router, we have a FortiGate firewall, Windows Server, and Windows 10 client, right? So I was just trying to add this image because I'd like to work with this image from now on. But now when I try to start, see, I'm getting this error and I'm not able to access the console and do my configuration, right? Okay, all right, so I'm gonna show you how to fix this error, right? So this video will go in line with how to install or how to add Cisco switches on GNS3. So we are going to learn two things. One is how to solve, to fix this error. And another one is how to add Cisco iOS switches in GNS3, right? Okay, so I already did the two for this one and this one. And for that one, I used a different image that I don't like. So I got a very good image that I did here. So let's just start afresh. I'll just delete this image here. And as well delete this switch here. So let's learn how to solve that issue and how to install or add a Cisco switch image on GNS3, right? All right. So the first step that you'll have to ensure to have these files. So I'll share this on the description of the video description or the first comment. So ensure you have this file, which is the image of the switch plus this license file, right? Okay, so this is a license file, but this is the image, the switch image, right? Okay, all right. So ensure you download them, right? Then follow the steps that I'm going to show you to add that image on GNS3. Okay, so just click Add Template, install there. I'll go to switches because this is a switch, and for this one, I'm gonna choose this one. You see, Cisco IOU L2. IOU Cisco, right? And click install. Go next, and we want to just create a version. Just click on that one and click create version, and which name can we allocate it? So let's just say I'm just going to say Cisco switch, right? Okay, then I just click OK, and then here is very important, disk image file name for image. It's very important. You have to go to your directory where that image, where you downloaded that image. Okay, then copy the file name. Ensure you copy, right? Ensure you copy that file name, right? And paste it there, and just click OK. So here is the version that we've just created, okay? So you can see found that one locally. So I'm not gonna go with that one, just import. Click, let me just repeat that one. After you've gone to the version, click on the image and import. And here is my image and open it, okay? All right, so click on that and go next. Yes, and finish. Okay, and that's all. So here's our image. What can we do? We can try to rename it here. So we can just remove that Cisco. Just say Cisco switch. Okay. Just say it's both L2 and L3 switch. Okay, it performs both routing and switching. So you're gonna use this switch, okay, from now onwards because of our lab requirement. These images were not supported, okay, for what we want in our labs. So when I put it here and try to start, you see, I'm getting that error. Could not pass that one. Yep, the file directory. Okay. All right. So pretty much simple. Okay, so now let me show you how to fix this problem. I've shown you how to add a Cisco switch image, right? So let's learn how to fix this problem. So the problem comes when you, the image doesn't have a license file. So let's add that .iourc file so that the switch can pass that file. Okay. All right. So just click OK and go to Edit, go to Preferences, and click on iOS on Unix. iOS on Unix. Not this one, but click on iOS on Unix. Just there. Okay. iOS on Unix. And here is now here is where you upload that license file. So just click upload and I'll go to where my file is. So this is my license file and open, click apply and OK. So if I can just go and now start the switch. Now I'm able to start my switch. So this is how to fix the problem, and this is how to install Cisco IIS switch images. So we learned two things: fix the license issue on a Cisco switch. Another one is how to install or how to add switch images on GNS3, right? All right. Thank you so much, guys. And I believe you're going to use these images. You're going to use these images to fix the problem and learn how to install Cisco images on GNS3. All right. Bye-bye. See you again. Thank you.